Hello everyone, my name is Raghunandan Lal Garikpati. I'm working as an intern at Spark Foundation. I have chosen the task prediction using supervised ML machine learning. The level is beginner level. In this project or in this task, we will be predicting the percentage of any student based on the number of hours they have been studied. It's a very simple task, and we will be using simple linear regression tasks, and it also involves just only two variables. I have done it using the language Python. Now firstly we will be importing the libraries. We will be importing the libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, Libplot, Prepplot, Seaborn for graphs, and sklearn models, etc. We will be reading the dataset from the given path which is given by the task. Firstly, we will be performing data.head. It produces the 10 rows of the data which is present in the dataset. We will be checking if any data is null. There is nothing, so it has returned false. Data.tail of 5 means the last 5 data rows in the given dataset is printed. Data.info means prints the information of the data set. Data.shape, how many rows and how many columns. Number of rows equals to 25, number of columns equals to 2. Data.describe, it performs describing the data such as mean, standard mean, minimum 25%, 50%, and maximum. So now we will be visualizing input data. So I have taken sns.set_style as dark grid, and I have been plotted the graph as title as marks percentage versus hours studied. On the y-axis we will be marking the marks percentage, and on the x-axis we will be performing hours studied. This is a scatter plot. I have plotted it using this code. From the above scatter plot, we can conclude that the correlation between marks percentage and hours studied, we can assume a positive linear relation between the number of hours studied and the percentage of the score obtained by students. Now we will be checking the correlation between hours and study, number of hours study. Print data.core. Next we will be preparing the data. We will be using x equals to data.iloc. Next we will be splitting the data into four variables: x train, x test, x underscore test, y underscore train, and y underscore test. This is the output. Now we will do the fitting the data into a model. A regression model equals to linear regression. We will be printing the regression score using the code print of regression score x train comma y train. Now we will be plotting the line of regression, and next we will be testing the testing data. Print x underscore test, and we will be predicting the values. Now we will be comparing the actual and the predicted values. The second column represents the actual values and the third column represents the predicted values. The question is, what will be predicted score if the student studies for 9.2 hours per day? The code is given below. Given hours, prediction for hours, we will use regression model, regression prediction. So the predicted score for a student for 4.5 is 46.44. So the predicted score for a student studied for 9.25 hours is 93.691, and the student who studied for 4.5 hours is 46.616. Now we will be validating the model. Absolute mean error. The mean absolute error we have got as 4.183. So conclusion: the predicted score for a student who studied for 9.25 hours is 93.613. Thank you.